Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a smartphone frame for your videos in CapCut. So first, just add your clips to CapCut and then go to sticker. Okay, then swipe to the category until you find this category right here, like a computer screen, and then just scroll down until you find the smartphone frame that you can use. Okay, this one, and adjust the size to however you want, and after that click on the check icon, apply it to all of the clip, then click on a clip and resize it to fit into the frame. Okay, for example like this. You can also crop the clip if you want. Okay, I'm going to crop it into 9:16. Like this, then just fit the size. You can also use the masking feature, so click on a clip and go to mask and adjust your video into rectangle like this. Adjust the video into the smartphone screen size, then adjust to have a corner edge like this. Okay, after that you are done, and that's it. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.